In today's video, we're grilling up steaks, watching football. If that sounds good to you, y'all stick around. Alright y'all, so we're watching some football. I've got some USDA Prime New York strip steaks from Six Brothers. We're going to get these seasoned up with some campfire steak seasoning. Some really good stuff. This is Prime New York strips. These are going to be really good. We got the Weber getting heated up. We're just going to grill these up quick. Put a nice sear on it. Just like that. I'm going to do both sides and I'll catch back up with y'all. These steaks are nice and sweat in with that seasoning. The kettle's running hot. Let's go ahead and get them on. This won't take too long at all. I'm going to start out by searing them and getting the crust we're looking for. Man, listen to that. Get the crust we're looking for. And then I'm going to move them over to the indirect side. You can do it either way, really. Let me know in the comments below, do you sear yours first and then move them over to the other side, or do you bring them up indirectly and sear them at the end? I do them both, either way. So we're going to go ahead and let that go for about a minute, and then we'll flip them. I'll see y'all back here in a little bit. Alright y'all, it's been about a minute. That's smelling real good. We had some hickory chips in there, but they're kind of going quick, so we're just going to add a few more in there just for a little extra nice grill flavor. Love me some hickory. Put that all around. That'll help us kick up that fire too. Let's go ahead and flip these. Oh yeah, that hickory's smelling good. There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. I'm going to let those go for about a minute more, and then we'll check on them. Man, this is smelling good. Let's see how we're looking. Getting that nice addition of the hickory smoke and flavor in our steak. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Starting to look real good. Let me pull these over to the side and see what we're looking like with our internal temperature. Man, that's smelling awesome. Let's go ahead and see where we're at here. About 90. Getting close. I'm going to go ahead and let them go for about 30 more seconds. Right over the direct heat here. There we go. Check that out. Man, that smells awesome. Shoot, yeah. I'm going to bring y'all back and we'll move them over from the direct side to the indirect side to finish them off. Gotta just love that smoke rolling out of the grill. Smells like steak and salt, pepper, garlic, and charcoal. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Look at that beautiful color. That's looking awesome. Let it go, I'd say for probably about 15 seconds on this side, and then we'll pull them and finish them off indirectly. See y'all here in just a sec. The grill's still rolling nice and hot. We got a nice color on our steaks here. Check that out. Looking good. Let's bring these over to the indirect side now. Look at that sizzle action. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and top it off with a little bit more of our seasoning. We're using the campfire steak seasoning from Suckle Busters. When you're flipping your steaks around with tongs and everything, you can lose some of your seasoning, so I like to reapply a little bit there towards the end. Let's go ahead and see what we're looking like in our temperature here. Oh yeah, getting close. One of them's at 95, the other one's at 99. I'm going to go ahead and let that go, I'd say probably for about 3 to 5 minutes, and this will be done. I've got the exhaust over here over our steaks, so that hickory smoke, remember we added those chips in there, is going to go over our steak before it gets out of the kettle. So I'll bring y'all back in about 3 to 5 minutes and we'll see what the steaks look like. I forgot to mention, I am going to add a few more hickory chips to finish this bad boy off. Just like that. See y'all back when these are done. Alright y'all, it's been a few more minutes. Let's take a peek. It is smelling awesome, guys. Really good. 126, 122. those are looking good to me. What I want to do now is just finish it off with one last little kiss on the fire, just for about 20 seconds each side to finish it off. Get that nice, good charcoal grill flavor on our crust of our steak here. That fat is rendering down nicely over here. Man, that's smelling good. Man, oh man, I'm excited for these steaks. USDA Prime Steaks. I will have Six Brothers Beef's information down below in the description box. I'm going to pull these bad boys off and let them rest for at least 5 minutes, covered in some foil, and then we're going to be trying them out, so y'all stay tuned. Check out that sear we got, guys. Let's let it rest and then we'll give it a try. Alright y'all, so this has been resting for about maybe 5 minutes under the foil here. Look at that color we got. Nice crust, juicy. Let's go ahead and cut into one of them and see how we did. Smells really good. Look at all that juice. Tons of juice. Let's cut right down the middle and see how we did. I'd say that's a nice cook to me. Check that out. Look at how juicy that is. Perfectly medium rare. Let's go ahead and cut a couple slices and then we'll give it a try. Man, if you haven't had USDA Prime steaks before, I highly suggest it. Got all that beefy flavor. Stays nice and tender because of the internal fat content. Let's turn this camera around and give it a try. Alright guys, look at that. Perfectly cooked. Medium rare, every single slice. Got that nice juicy pink middle. For medium rare, you want to be around 125 to 135 degrees at most. I pulled these at about 125 to 130 degrees, and these turned out perfect, so let's give them a try. As tender as could be. Check that juiciness out, guys. Look at that. That's money. We're watching football. Appreciate y'all for hanging out. Until next time, peace. Y'all keep on barbecuing.